Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to show you the next lesson in our lineup. If you are looking at this video, you should have finished the map assignment. Why did three continent-based groups come to America? And the next one is another map assignment, and it is colonial powers in North America. If you look here, the prompt says, please read the attached article and then create a map of the three European colonial powers based on the information in the article. The article instructions and blank map are attached below. So here is your article. As you can see, this is a Google Doc, so you can use the read-write tools with this article. And I'm going to go back. And right here is just a actually very brief list of instructions, and it has a checklist of the things that should be on your map, including a key that shows what the colors and symbols mean. And I suppose I'll just read them all. The territory of each nation's colonies in North America, color-coded. Symbols in each territory that represent how that colonial power made money from their colony. A compass, a title, and a key that shows what the colors and symbols mean. You guys, you are going to have to read the article to figure out who these colonial powers were. There is a big hint here in parentheses. And what did they do to earn a living or to make money once they got to North America? That information, again, is in the article. Now, what you're going to do once you get to the map is you're going to open it up, and it's going to open in Google Drawings. And if you've never used Google Drawings before, it's really not that difficult to figure out. It is different from, let's say, Microsoft Paint or other online drawing applications. It's pretty simple. And what you're going to need to use is mainly the text tool and the line tool. So you're going to have to draw the colonial regions. And I think it talks about color coding. And what I would look for, well, there, let's just start. So for instance, I want to draw, let's say I was asked to draw Alaska. I'm not going to show you what's in the assignment. If I was asked to draw the Alaska region, I would probably go all the way to the bottom and choose the scribble. What this lets me do is it lets me freehand draw a line, and I would say, well, I want to do is cover all of Alaska. Now, I'm not going to have to do an exact replica, but I'm going to click and do the mouse and just mainly cover the outline of Alaska, like so. Like that. And then it does say, I want you to color code the different regions that you're showing. And so what I would normally look for in a drawing program is a way to fill the color. And if there is a way to fill, I really don't know what that is, but I did find that you can color the line. And so if I want my Alaska territory, and by the way, Alaska is not part of the map. This is just my example for using the tools. Let's say I want it pink. Well, my line is pink, and if I really want it to show up, I can adjust the line weight. So it's at 1 pixel thick, and if you don't know what a pixel is, just imagine a dot on the computer screen. That's a pixel. I might want it like 8. Now it's pretty clear what color my region is. And so then when I later add a text box that is my key, I might add text here, and I might say, oh, the Alaska region. And what I might want to do is then bring in a shape and just choose a rectangle. And right here, I just might want to draw a rectangle. And what I would want to do then is fill that rectangle the same color as my Alaska region. So here's part of my key, and it shows that, hey, this pink area is my Alaska region. And then it says symbols for how they make a living. Well, in my Alaska region, if what they're doing is mainly fishing, then I might want to come up with a fish symbol. So what I might do is, again, go to my scribble or my freehand line, and I might just want to draw my fish symbol, go back to my pointer. I would probably then need to hold my shift key down and select all of it, and then move the whole thing to my key. Well, I moved part of it. You would have to shift and collect all of it, and it was pretty small to do it with. Anyway, I could draw it all in one go. You can hand draw it, or if you wanted to, you could open up a tab, do a Google Images search, and you could do, if I wanted a fish symbol, I could just put fish. And if I want it just to be real simple and easy, fish clip art or fish clip art black and white. And I then have some easy choices. And then remember, this will be submitted on the internet. It is technically available. I would go to Settings, Advanced Search. I would go down, Not Filtered, or it's from Not Filtered by License, and change it to Free to Use, Share, or Modify, even commercially. Then do my advanced search. Well, now you can see that my choices are much different, and I would choose one, and I could copy the image, go back to my drawing, and I could paste it, and now I've got an image that I could both use in my region. I could say, well, this is my symbol for how they make their living. And what I could do then is Control C or right click copy, and I could paste another one, and I could move that over here for what do my symbols mean? Well, I could then go add the text. Fishing, and I would know, hey, this symbol stands for fishing. Your regions will need to be identified by color, and they will need a symbol that tells how they made their living. And again, you've got the checklist. So this is how you complete this assignment. If you have questions, of course, you can ask me. And again, if you're wondering, well, what regions and where are they? Refer to the text. Good luck. I'll be in class to help you. And remember, this is the map you go to after your Groups from 3 Continents map. The previous assignment has been turned in. I look forward to seeing them. Have a great day.